next functioning that I want to show is a friendship request. So for this, I've switched to using Wechaty because WhatsApp does not have any sort of friend request system. So the friendship function doesn't do anything. So to do that, I've just changed my Puppet to service here, and I've turned off my TLS clients. But then we can create a new function now to respond to any sort of friendship event. So that we will put that up with our other functions, and that will pass us a friendship event. Then we want to see, we have two different types of friendship events. So let's make a switch to see these different types. Our first case is we have a friendship type of receive. So this means we have received a friendship request from someone. So if we have that, let's just console log receive. And then our other case is the type of confirm. So this event is sent after we confirm a friendship request. So let's use confirm and take a look at that. Now I can open WeChat, and this is my account that I've logged into. So if I send a message to them, we'll see that I am not a friend yet, and so I need to send a friend request. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's say hello. And we see that I have received that friendship request event. Now we want to accept that friend request automatically, so we can go into our receive case here, and let's add now we want to automatically accept that friend request. So we can go into our receive case here, and we can add a friendship accept function, and this would just accept any friendship request we want to receive. So if we want to add some sort of conditional to that, we can use the friendship.hello, and this will check the message of that friendship request. So if we want to make it conditional on some sort of message, we can say if it equals hi, then we will only accept friendship requests that say hi. So let's go ahead and do that. So now let's try that friendship request again. We need to send a message. Let's send the message hi, and we will see that that friendship request is received, and then it is automatically accepted.